toys have been collecting dust on the shelves for quite some time now, but you just can't get yourself to throw them away. In today's videos, we'll show you some cool ways in which you can breathe new life into your old toys and turn them into unique accessories and pieces of decor. If your old clock looks kind of boring, then we definitely need to decorate it. We'll need a bunch of small toys. Cover the clock face with some paint tape to avoid smearing it during the process. Attach the toys to the plastic edges of the clock. Cover the clock with some silver spray paint. Let it dry and carefully remove the paint tape. The cool accessory for your bedroom is ready. Is that old angry dinosaur still standing on the shelf? Let's turn it into a toothbrush. Make 2 holes the size of a brush in the dinosaur. Place our toothbrushes in the dino holder and put it in the bathroom. Very unusual, but convenient. Those of you who like unusual decor pieces and unique accessories will surely enjoy this next life hack. We'll need a couple of small animal figurines. Cut them in half. Cover our future jewelry with silver spray paint. Let's make the locking mechanism. Get some pins, make some grooves in the figurines to insert them. Looks very cool and unusual. Let's add a nice pendant to our look. We're going to need a small plastic toy. We chose the horse. It symbolizes success. Insert a pin into the horse. Cover it with spray paint to match the earrings. Attach an elegant chain to the pin. This is truly a one-of-a-kind pendant, and with this complete jewelry set, you're sure to be the queen at every party. And this bright orange truck will make a great pot for our flowers. Fill up the truck with some wet soil. Plant an unpretentious plant. Water it. Find a cozy parking spot for this flower pot on wheels somewhere in your room. Is your mirror starting to peel off at the edges? Don't throw it away just yet. We still have a chance of restoring it. We'll hide the ugly edges behind some Lego blocks. Apply some hot glue to the bottom of the piece. Glue it to the mirror. The bright Lego frame will hide all the defects and add some color to your interior. And it's pretty handy for hanging necklaces and other jewelry. Hi, Donkey! It's about time you stopped collecting dust. We've got big things ahead. Make some small cuts on the legs. Take out some of the stuffing. Insert a wooden stick into the openings in the legs. Put a toilet paper roll on the stick. Put the donkey on the toilet. That's 2 in 1, a cute decor piece and a toilet paper holder. A small amount of garbage is easily collected by a nano Kinder roller. To make this miracle of technology, you will need a piece of wire and plastic eggs from the Kinder Surprise. Punch a hole with an awl. String the plastic eggs on the wire. Wrap them with adhesive tape facing upwards. Twist a handle from the wire. Now you can easily clean clothes from hair and the table from small crumbs. For the next idea, we'll use an old dinosaur figurine. Cut the toy in half with a sharp knife. Don't worry, the 2 halves will reunite soon enough. Stick a magnet to each of the pieces. Now, our dinosaur is not just an old toy, but also a nice and functional picture holder. Who doesn't have some puzzles lying around somewhere? Everybody does! And what about puzzles with missing pieces? We think there's quite a few of us. Don't worry, we'll find a use for them. You're going to need a picture frame and a hot glue gun. Glue the pieces of the puzzle to the frame in a random order. Done! All that's left is to add some paint. To evenly color the frame, you can use some spray paint. This cute picture frame will fit right into the children's room interior. Did your doll break its arm beyond repair? Let's make a unique organizer for rings and small jewelry from the toy. You will need doll arms and a saucer. Squeeze a couple of drops of gold paint onto the saucer. Evenly distribute it with the help of a sponge. Put hot glue on the doll's arms and attach them to the saucer. Decorate the princess's hands with rings and lay out bracelets and chains on the saucer. Convenient and practical. And for the next clip, you'll need a plastic chair and a whole mountain of soft toys. Fasten the toys to the back and seat of the chair with a hot glue gun. Choose large toys first and then smaller toys. Who wouldn't want to sit down on such a soft and silly armchair? You have to wait your turn. For the next life hack, you need a plate, a plastic cup, and a spinner. Cut the bottom from the cup. With a hot glue gun, attach it to the spinner. Glue on the plate. Now we have a convenient twisting dish for snacks. Turn the dish and treat your friends. Does no one want to play with a turtle painted with a marker anymore? Turn the toy into a useful thing for a seamstress. A pincushion. Cut out a circle from the rubber shell. Fold a piece of felt and place it inside. Stick in needles and pins. Done! The turtle is at work and the pins are in fine shape. And in this clip, we'll tell you how to make a wacky cup with a toy inside. It's not complicated. You just need to put hot glue on the base and attach the figure to the bottom of a transparent cup. How much milk do you want? Pour it to the very ears. Hey Stitch, you're not drowning, are you? Drink milk and save a monster. The reality show, Behind the Glass, is on the air again. We'll tell you how to organize stuffed toys, which no one uses anymore. You will need 2 large frames with glasses and 4 corks. Paint the corks white. Paste them on the corners of the frame. Lay out the toys. Put hot glue on the corks. Cover them with the second frame on top. Done! We will tell you how to make a towel hanger out of unwanted dinosaur figurines. Use a wood board as a base. Clean the surface with sandpaper. Cut the figurines in half. Using a hot glue gun, attach the tail part to the board. Add some color. Paint the tails with a bright saturated shade. Decorate with golden dots. Paint the base white. Fasten the dinosaur hanger to your bedroom wall. Would you like to tickle the dinosaur? Let's build an original key rack from Lego. Lay out letters on the base plate. Make a hole in the flat part with a thin drill. Attach a key ring to the hole. Do the same with the rest of the keys. Hang the Lego organizer on the wall. Very convenient. Ordinary spoons are so boring. We'll tell you how to make them bright and interesting for a child. Use pliers to bend the edge. Choose your favorite heroes from a bunch of plastic figurines. Using a hot glue gun, attach the toy to the handle of the spoon. With spoons like these, the child's appetite will always be soaring. Let us share the idea of creating a decorative letter for a growing car lover's room. You'll need a sheet of cardboard. Draw a letter. Cut it out. Cover the cardboard with gray cement-colored paint. Create road markings with white paint. Using a hot glue gun, fasten on model cars. Start your engines! Let's go! Some toys are already so old that they're bursting at the seams with age. Don't say a forever farewell to your toy horse. We know how to give it a new life. However, for this, it will have to change its profession a little. For this life hack, you need medium-sized stones. Make an incision and pull out part of the toy's stuffing. Replace the filler with stones to make the toy heavier. Seal the seam with a hot glue gun. Now the horse works as an honorable doorman and will not allow a draft to slam the door. Put a like on this compilation and subscribe to Troom Select. Be sure to click on the bell to see our new videos first.